Look how many there are. Look at this. Can you believe that? No orbs, but there's illuminated snake-looking things. I've got Richie playing on in the background, so don't mind him. Look at that. Look at that. I'm going to get up close once. We won't make this very long because it's kind of gross looking for most people to probably handle. But you got to see what they look like up close. This is what I was looking for. Let me turn Richie off. Hold on. Alright. If it was a little darker out, these would be lit up like Christmas trees. But look at them up close. They're crazy looking, these things. So it's not like one little thing, it's like they got millions of little pieces onto them. They're like beads, a bead necklace. Look at that. Oh, alright, whoa. They're alive, whatever they are. I googled all kinds of different illuminated bugs, and I did about an hour and a half research. I couldn't find anything like this that had to do with these specific things. They were either underwater, on the ground, you know. Oh, we do have an orb. An orb is here. There we go. Let's get in there and take a look at that bad boy. If I could get this thing to work. Oh, what's it doing down there? It wasn't down there. Unless there's two of them. Alright, I have to pan back out and see if it moved. It did. So it went down. Let's see if we can find it again. I know you saw it. I saw it. There it is. Oh, it morphs. Changes shape. Okay. I wonder if each one of these things can do that. Very interesting. Very interesting. Alright, pan back out again. See if it went somewhere else. No, it's gone. No, is it? Yeah, it's gone. Dang it. There's something over here flying around. One little ball. See it? See it? That's crazy. This is crazy. Alright, well, the orb came and went. Well, it came, it moved, and then it went. Alright, we're out. I may not even post this. I'm not sure if I should. Oh, there it's back. I'm going to post it. It's moving. See? Look at that. Where's it going? Oh, man. I can't go to the left. Alright, I'm going to stop the video and wait for it. I shouldn't have stopped the video. couple of that, like that. Those things. A bunch of them. As soon as I stopped it, they started going across the screen. Look at those. Look at that. What kind of entities are these? Is that amazing? I'm going to zoom in and maybe we can catch one up close and get a really good look. It might take a minute, but hey, what do we got to do? Let's see what happens. We could get one. That's what we want. Yeah, there's a variety now. Whoa, see that? We want one of those saw-looking ones. I wish I didn't have to go anywhere tonight. I could sit here and watch this forever. Gotta figure it out somehow. We need one to go across it. I've got it zoomed in. We just have to be in the right spot, and I'm hoping we are. Then again, we could end up with an orb too, again. Sometimes I don't want to upload these videos because I'm thinking, you might think I'm weird. I'm putting out weird videos. But I figure maybe you guys haven't seen this stuff, you know? Like, I'm amazed by it. I expect everyone to get amazed by it, I guess. Creatures that exist. And they're all different. It's not like it's boring, because you see, it's such a grab bag. As soon as we get one big one, we'll leave. One really satisfying one. Unless an orb flies by. Man, look at these. Is that amazing? Whew. That's all I can say. See, they have little sections to them. They remind me of a strand of pearls. And then the others remind me of illuminated snakes flying through the air. Of an interdimensional kind of some sort. And there's never any in the water, coming out of the water. So I used to think it was because maybe it was really nasty, but, you know, just polluted water. But they're never at the water. They're always in the air. So my theory went away. This is going to be a long video. You can leave whenever you want. You don't have to watch it all. I'm just trying to find out some stuff about this place, trying to see, is there a pattern? We know it's at nighttime because that's when we see them. We know the orbs move, disappear. They go from one place to another in a matter of a second. What else do we know? It's not one at a time. You can have up to 3 on the screen. I've had before. So they can travel alone or in groups. What else have we learned? They're not silk strands from a spider web, which I thought that might have been a possibility. No. Whatever they are alive. All shapes, sizes, colors, all makes and models. Can you imagine walking through that air, breathing these things in, not being able to see them? Yuck. I believe this is what we're breathing in. I believe this is in the air everywhere. Remember the videos I have of particulates. That's all from living stuff that they've been ejecting out of those planes and crafts. Interdimensional, I believe. And from here. Alright, I should probably stop now. I'm going to pan out and see if we have enough. Or 2 or 3. You never know here. I am seeing activity with them around the water. Maybe if animals are drinking that. Whoa. Oh. They're crazy looking. Those are crazy. Even they can disappear in front of you. They are over the pond now. Alright. I'm not in the orbs. Maybe I'll come back later. We did see an orb, but it didn't stick around for long. Sorry for a long video. Really, I am. But like I said, you leave the videos whenever you want. I'm not expecting anyone to stay the whole time. You gotta be into this kind of thing, I suppose. I'm into it. I'm a little different, though. I'm gonna let it run the whole time. Less than a minute. Man, this is... Oh, I'm so glad I stayed. That was really a specimen. Wow. You should see them when I'm zoomed all the way in, what they look like. Maybe I'll do that later, if they're still around. I'll be back to see if we can get some orbs. And we'll watch them do their thing, because they're very busy. Alright, everyone. I'll see you on the flip side. This is going to take forever to load.